You join me at Miltech Corp in Knoxville, Tennessee, US of A, with some amazing news that I cannot wait to share with you. This has been coming for over a year now. Let's get into it. So you're probably wondering why the US, and that's because the TRE kit for the M2, G87 M2, has been an overwhelming success for us. We genuinely cannot believe or thank you enough for your orders that have come from here, and the majority of our customers are actually based in the US. Now, this partnership means that we are going to have and already have TRE stock on the ground here in Knoxville, Tennessee, which means shipping time is going to be cut down drastically. You're not going to pay any import taxes, and most importantly, you're going to be able to speak to someone that is here on the ground in America. You're going to be dealing with American customer service advisors and not having to deal with us and our annoying English accents. Whilst we're here, we've actually got a number of customers that are down today. We're going to be fitting some M2 kits, and we're going to be taking you guys along for the ride up to some amazing mountain spots that they have here about 20 minutes from Knoxville. So let's go and get on with it.
Where are we going then, Jack?
Dragons, is it?
Tail of the Dragon, baby.
The tail of the dragon. So behind me is the Miltech Corp warehouse. This is filled to the brim already with product. So obviously, being Miltech Corp, a lot of the product they're going to be shipping is Miltech exhaust systems, which we're obviously really familiar with in the UK. So you've got all their systems here. They also represent Auto Finesse. So you've got a load of Auto Finesse stock here as well. They're kind of bringing along brands that all seem to complement each other. So you've got brakes, you've got air filters, there's a load of different stuff that when a customer comes down to Miltech Corp, they can get the full works. And now obviously part of that's going to be the TRE stuff as well. They've got a couple of cool shop cars.
What about that over there, Jack? Should we go for a quick drive?
Let's definitely have a little go in that.
What is it?
It is a Mustang Dark Horse, 500 horsepower, 5 litre V8 with an auto box, but it should be good. The truth of the matter is, I've never driven one of these. First time actually, I think, driving a Mustang.
So we've just put it into track exhaust modes.
Yeah. So I'm told that the way you do that, there's a little Mustang button just down here. Press this. We actually got into it. Oh no, what's that? Quiet exhaust. Oh, there you go.
Oh no, put it on loud, bro.
Yeah, so you got sports
and track,
and then track. So I think we're just going to drive it fully in track.
Yeah.
Very loud. That's a proper all-American V8, isn't it? That's what you want to be driving in Tennessee. Sorry, wait, I was just changing up through the gears. They keep going.
It's got 10
gears.
It's got 10 gears on the boy.
That's insane. That was just like, there was like, how many gears should we add? I don't know, maybe 10? Yeah, let's go, 10.
What does it rev to?
Well, it says it revs to.
Just downshift 10 gears quick, bro, and see what it revs to. And another one. And another one.
Won't let me go below that. Rev's about 7.5. Got good brakes on it.
Is it?
It is actually running Tarek's brakes, so that's why they feel quite
very
nice
bitey.
weight. Yeah. You can feel the weight in the car though. There's
Massively.
a lot of weight. You can feel it's a heavy car. She's a big old girl.
Do you like it? Can you picture yourself in a Mustang?
I don't think a Mustang is for me, to be fair.
You're too English for a Mustang.
Yeah, I'm a little bit. Well, I've already been ripped for my tweed shorts.
It sounds sick.
Yeah, sorry for going for a full tank of petrol. Oh, the gear shifts are a lot better.
That feels a bit better, to be fair.
Yeah, that feels unreal now. Oh yeah, that sounds insane.
That does sound sick.
It feels a lot like this. Oh, the suspension's a lot firmer now. It does sound good. Honestly, that exhaust is unbelievable. Over 90% of you aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button now.
What do you think then, Jack?
What car? That engine is ridiculous. Thank you to the guys at Miltech for letting us have a go. It was a lot of fun. These definitely suit the long American roads. You can definitely feel the weight. I think I'll probably be sticking to my M2, but I do see the appeal.
In other words, Jack hates it.
So behind me is actually where the stock is going to be housed. Some of our first deliveries turned up, which is wicked, but this is literally where your stock in the US is going to be shipping from to your door. So it's quite nice and cool to see finally Autoid stock, TRE stock on the ground here. Just a bit of a side note, I've been working on this project now for over a year, and obviously you think Autoid started back in 2015, and we would genuinely never ever think that something like this would happen. So yeah, just a quick shout out to everyone here that's obviously made this possible, because the growth of the business has been amazing, but we genuinely could not have done that without you guys and without everyone behind the veil, behind the door, whatever the fuck you want to call it, at Autoid, because all of the team obviously made this possible as well. So thank you to all of the Autoid team members as well. It's massively appreciated. Love you all. So this chap beside me is Frankie. He is the main man on the ground here, and rather than talking to me, you're going to be talking to this lovely chap here now in North America.
Yeah. If you need anything, let me know. Just kidding, I don't have a British accent. Yeah, if you guys need anything here in the US, hit us up, hit me up. We definitely don't mind helping. Glad to partner with you guys and get everything running out here in the US. We have stock, as they may have already showed you, but we're trying to hit the ground running, so we think that it'll be a great partnership for it.
So first car in the bay, this is a Toronto Red M2, and we're going to be installing a front splitter and rear spoiler. Alex here is Mr. Milltech fitter. He's the American guy basically, and he's going to be installing the stuff with me. We're going to be walking through a few little nuances of installing the splitter and spoiler and stuff like that. And if you are based in the US and you need any install on your parts, the guys at Milltech Corp can do it here in this shop. So give them a message. Alex is just finishing up now on the spoiler for the Toronto Red car, so we thought why not put the kit on the floor all ready to go for the Zandvoort Blue M2 that's on there. And this one's been lowered, it's got some spacers on it. I think it's stock exhaust at the moment, but that brings me to a good point here. This is what the customer's looking to get. And you might recognise this. This is the single mid-pipe we're running on our M2 at the moment. And then here is also the X-pipe. These are being developed because they're slightly different for the US spec cars, as I understand it. So, and I know that the guys are installing these tomorrow because they're going to be doing some power testing on the dyno in the morning, so you'll be able to see the actual power gains that come with this. So that's going to be interesting to see as well. But in the meantime, let's get this kit on the car.
Like my OCD is like.
Yeah. No, glad you like it, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
We are now heading to the Tail of the Dragon, and we've got quite a setup of cars actually that we're taking with us. Got the M2, which we were driving yesterday, and this. Is it a Z06?
Yeah, shotgun jumping in that.
Yeah. Z06. Sorry, yeah, Z06. I'm jumping in this.
No, I'm jumping in that.
And true to form, Jameson's also going to be coming along in his M2, so we're going to get some nice content of that once that's all up there and stuff.
Content. Say content.
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 So we've just got back from the Tail of the Dragon and it was an amazing trip. We didn't actually manage to get too much content of Jameson's car, but he was over the moon with how it looked. So very happy with that. We're just about to head back to the UK because we've got so much going on there. We've got a new shop car to introduce to the channel, which you're gonna see very soon. But if you are a US customer, you can now order from Milltech Corp. Everyone else, still come to the Autoid store. That's gonna finish it, guys. See you in the next one. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.